Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. In our last lesson, we made I sentences in present continuous tense. Today we are gonna learn about he and she in present continuous tense. Remember this table from our video pronouns where we learned these subjects in detail? Let's review it quickly.
Third person singular. Ye is used when you're talking about someone or something that is close to you in the physically distant sense of the word. So if someone stood right next to you, then you would use the word ye.
Wo
Is used when you're talking about someone or something further away. So if the person you're talking about is on the other side of the street, you would use
wo. Informal she and he. She informal. Wo for far distance and ye for near distance, plus the verb ending is rahi hai.
He, informal. वो for far distance और ये for near distance plus रहा है.
Formal she and he. She formal. Wo for far distance or ye for near distance, plus verb ending is rahi hai.
He, formal. वो for far distance और ये for near distance plus रहे हैं.
We already learned the difference between informal or formal she and he. We are going to use formal she and he verb endings as this is the safest version of the word she and he as it's always respectful. Simple sentence she formal long distance. Structure in English subject plus be is MR plus verb plus ing plus object. Sentence in English she is going to Costco. Structure in Hindi subject plus object plus verb combining of verb root plus verb ending. Sentence in Hindi वो Costco जा रही हैं. वो Costco जा रही हैं. Same sentence for the near distance. In English it would be same. She is going to Costco. But in Hindi, instead of putting wo, we just need to use ye. The structure of the sentences would be same. In Hindi, she is going to Costco for near distance would be ये Costco जा रही हैं.
Simple sentences. He, formal. The sentence he is going to Costco. For far distance, in Hindi it would be वो Costco जा रहे हैं. For near distance, it would be ये Costco जा रहे हैं.
She and he negative sentences. She negative sentences. For the negative sentences, we simply add the word nahi just before the verb. She isn't eating bread. For far distance, we would say वो bread नहीं खा रही है. And for near distance, we would say ये bread नहीं खा रही हैं. Second sentence, no, she isn't talking. नहीं, वो or you can also say ये बात नहीं कर रही है. She is not doing homework. वो homework नहीं कर रही है. And for near distance, you would say ये homework नहीं कर रही हैं.
He, negative sentences. He isn't eating bread. For far distance, we'll say वो bread नहीं खा रहे हैं. And for near distance, ये bread नहीं खा रहे हैं. No, he isn't talking. नहीं, वो और ये बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. He is not doing homework. वो और ये homework नहीं कर रहे हैं.
question and answer.
सवाल और जवाब.
Try to fill in the question marks on screen to see how much you've learned.
She sentences for far or near distance. Yes, she is speaking Hindi. For far distance, हाँ, वो हिंदी बोल रही है. For near distance, हाँ, ये हिंदी बोल रही हैं। Yes, she is resting. हाँ, वो आराम कर रही हैं। और हाँ, ये आराम कर रही हैं। She is not coming tomorrow. वो कल नहीं आ रही हैं। और for near distance, ये कल नहीं आ रही हैं।
He is speaking Hindi. For far distance, वो हिंदी बोल रहे हैं। For near distance, ये हिंदी बोल रहे हैं। He is resting. वो और ये आराम कर रहे हैं। He isn't coming tomorrow. वो और ये कल नहीं आ रहे हैं।
Watch our video on verbs to learn new verbs and try to make sentences with those.
In our next video, we are going to make sentences with they and we in Hindi.
And that's all the practice for today. Great job!
Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.